Hello, good afternoon students, how are you? Good afternoon to the weekend. Fine, very good afternoon. Good. Smita, hi. Hello. That's good to see great number of students there. Hello. Right, can you able to see me? Can you able to hear me, my dear students? Hello. Just give confirmation. Yes. Smita, how are you? So you are not coming in everyday's class? Welcome to the YouTube sessions with Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. This program is NEET STEP UP 2025 and मैं हूँ Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry for you. Hi. So these sessions are given in YouTube. So every day a group of students are regularly attending these sessions, and these YouTube sessions are meant for NEET 2025. So in this journey of YouTube sessions, we are covering total 11th standard and the total 12th standard concepts related to the NEET. Hi Ashu. Hi. Great. For board exams, of course, फायदा हो जाएगा. स्मिता, हाय. कुंभार, रोहित, हेलो. हाय इशिता, व्हाट हैपेंड टू द कपल ऑफ डेज? ठाकुर, अवतार, फाइन, थैंक यू. Ishita, why you are not there in the previous couple of sessions? I was missing you at least. Okay. Hi. Okay. Anyways, so let's talk about these YouTube sessions. YouTube sessions, that is Step Up, NEET Step Up 2025 program. It starts from noon 12 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. Physics, chemistry and bio. Professors are going to teach your NEET syllabus for coming NEET examinations, and total syllabus will be discussed in this YouTube platform. So I suggest my dear students, please join these sessions on a regular basis and do work accordingly given by the guidelines given by your teacher, and please like and share and subscribe these YouTube videos, and also Telegram channel link is given in the description box. You please join in that, so that total class notes and updates on NEET 2025 you will be getting in, right? So in the journey of this NEET examination, my dear students, we were talking about 11th standard as well as 12th standard in a week. So we planned in such a way that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we discuss about 11th standard, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday we will be discussing a grade 12 topics. Hi. Hello. Great. Hi. How are you all? Can you able to hear me, see me? You like every lecture, not only the previous lecture. So those lectures that I am giving only by the inspiration given by the students. I am really enjoying these YouTube lectures. Yes. And in the journey of YouTube lectures, we completed general organic chemistry, isomerism for the 11th standard, and electronic effects, inductive effect, resonance, mesomeric effect, and electromeric effect and their applications. And when it comes to the 12th standard, we completed electrochemistry from the physical chemistry part, and organic conversions and various methods in the organic conversions also we discussed. And today we are going to initiate solutions. शुरुआत से बता देना. So what are the things we are going to see? The solutions. Solutions is a chapter from the NEET examination point of view. Definitely you will be getting a question, and at the concentration term you can take it in from the basic concepts of chemistry. There also concentration terms are there, so you will be getting a double faida from these solutions. Okay, you definitely expect one minimum or two questions from this, right? Hope you are all with me. Hi Suresh Rajput, Ravindra Reddy, hi. Great. So शुरू करेंगे or waiting for something? Waiting for something? Any doubts as far as the previous class is concerned. Ravinder, have you downloaded yesterday's notes better? Have you downloaded yesterday's? Oh, yes. Okay. Rajput will start. Right. So, solutions and colligative properties. This is the second chapter in grade 12. Good afternoon. Who is that? Rambai? Rimbai. Okay. Right. Hold on a minute. Okay. You did it. Okay. You got all notes. Okay. So let's see. This solutions and colligative properties of the grade 12 second chapter in the NCERT part 1 textbook. Okay, so all topics in this particular chapter are included in the NEET. You don't feel that this topic is eliminated, this chapter is eliminated from the NEET. That was the history. So in the 2025, we plan in such a way that everything is present in the NEET examination. So please set your mind, every chapter, every topic is there in your NEET. Okay, let's do. So in the solutions, so what are the things we are going to learn in this particular chapter? Types of solutions, what is solution and what is the types of solutions, and methods of expressing concentration terms. You have molarity, normality, mole fraction and percentages and all. And you can see vapor pressure and Raoult's law. Majority of the questions are obtained from the Raoult's law and colligative properties. And after colligative properties, we try to calculate the molecular mass of the solute, and if you calculate, you will get abnormal molecular mass. So why it is abnormal molecular mass and how it is corrected by using 1/2 factor. This is the main course of the total solutions and colligative properties. So the major points that you need to focus, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ता है बेटा, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना. So these are the 3 major points where you can get a question. So question यहाँ से आने का ज़्यादा संभावना है बेटा. Okay, चलो. So we will talk about a solution. शुरुआत से scratch level से शुरू करते हैं. So I assume that you are all good students, you know it pretty well, but I assume you don't know anything. From there you can study. ठीक है? Let's start. Okay, now let's talk about a solution होता है क्या? A solution है क्या? Just give a technical term. Simply any lecture you can say, let us take a sugar, put it in the water so that it is going to be dissolved, so it is called as a solution. It is called as a solution. है ना बेटा? So a solution is a homogeneous mixture. That is a point to be emphasized. Homogeneous mixture. So we studied in grade 10, sir. So why we are talking about a NEET examination? उसमें thermodynamics में बताना चाहता हूँ मैं. So formation of a solution is nothing but mixture of solute plus solvent gives rise to solution. Right? So when the solution is formed, कभी सोचा है क्या? When you dissolve glucose in the water, you touch the glass, glass ठंडा लगता है और गर्मी लगता है. You feel the glass become cool or warm. Answer chat box में देना. Answer chat box में देना. हाँ, बल गए, TM बल गए. हाँ. So you feel it is cool. Sometimes when you dissolve something, there is a cooling effect. Something you dissolve it, sometimes it is going to increase the temperature. Like sodium hydroxide dissolve the water, गर्मी लगेगा. Like आपका जो washing powder है ना, Ariel, Rin, Surf, when you dissolve in the water and the solution become hot. Sometimes there is an increase in temperature, there is a decrease in temperature. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Hot means exothermic, yes. Cool means endothermic. So here the perception is different. Okay, anyways, what is a solute and what is a solvent? When the solution is mixed, is that process is a spontaneous process or not? Yes, the homogeneous mixture, the formation is a spontaneous process. When if something is dissolved, it is a spontaneous process. हर spontaneous का कम से कम आपका डेल्टा जी नेगेटिव होना चाहिए, तभी ये सोल्यूट सॉल्यूशन में डिसॉल्व होगा. रविंदर, आई एग्री विथ यू. दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड, परसेप्शन इज डिफरेंट, है ना. हाँ, नाउ माय क्वेश्चन, अगर ये सोल्यूट डिसॉल्व करने के लिए डेल्टा एस पॉजिटिव होगा और नेगेटिव होगा, ये मेरा सवाल है बेटा. Smita, component is the present in the large quantity is solvent. Yes, I agree with you. I agree with you. Board को भी ये sessions आपका फायदा होगा. Okay, Smita, do attend regularly. Okay, talking about here, what is delta S? Entropy change. It is a thermodynamic parameter, beta. So entropy, so degree of randomness is measured by using entropy concept, है ना. So अगर सुगर वाटर में डालने तो सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा, सुगर सॉल्यूशन. सो जो प्रोसेस में एंट्रोपी चेंज जीरो और पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट डालना चार्ट बॉक्स में. आई वांट आंसर, जीरो और प्लस और माइनस. I am expecting an answer from guys. Great, come on, jaldi jaldi dena. So three options: 0 or less than 0 or greater than 0. I want answer. I am looking at the chart box. Come on. Ha, Ravinder Reddy, come on. Right. अरे चार्ट में अटक गए क्या? देना. राइट, एक्सपेक्टिंग, भूल गए क्या? रविंद्र रेड्डी जीरो, एंट्रोपी जीरो. ओके, इशिता 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 मे बी जीरो. ओके, आई से इट इज पॉजिटिव. एंट्रोपी इंक्रीजेस, एंट्रोपी इंक्रीजेस, entropy increases, right? Because the solute particles, when dissolved in the solvent, they separate and move freely, and solute particles बीच में solvent particle आ जाएगा, so they are going to be random. Randomness is more. Hi Madik, yes, Ishita positive. Madik Patil, hi. Welcome to the session. We are talking about solutions and colligative properties. Beta, please join the session. Okay, मैं हूँ सुरेश, faculty of chemistry. Okay, right. Entropy, जब हम thermodynamics पढ़ाएंगे ना, उसमें entropy का पूरा details आपको दे सकता मैं. ठीक है रविंदर? हाँ, you said correct, इशिता. मिस, I already given a compliment, है ना? हाँ, positive. Okay, right. That's good. So let's talk about when what is solute, what is solvent, what is solute and what is solvent. Naveed Ahmad, what is 625? I don't know. What is 625? I don't know about that. Okay, talking about solute plus solvent is called solution. हाँ, ये मिक्सचर में ये solute होता है क्या? Solute and solvent. The solute is less, solvent is more. Solvent is more. सही बात है, सही बात है. I just want to say 1 gram sugar plus 1000 gram water. उसमें solute is sugar. This is a solvent. Right? Why water is called as universal solvent, Vedant? Because water has highest dielectric constant among all solvents. So the majority of the ionic substances are soluble in the water. That's the reason why water is called as universal solvent. Vedant, fine? हाँ, नीट मार्क्स है. Why water is called universal solvent? बार बार में कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहे हैं. Okay, talking about if you take 10 gram ethyl alcohol and 10 gram water, उसमें solvent है क्या, solute है क्या? So I have given an Infinityland app का, NEET app का आपका link है. You just simply click it and download. You will get all updates in that. Okay, you need not have to pay anything, right? Simply you give your data. That's it. Okay, उसमें solute है क्या, solvent है क्या? For that, how to calculate number of moles? That is weight of the substance by मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है ना. सो इसका वेट है 10, मॉलिक्यूलर वेट 46. इसका नंबर ऑफ मोल्स 10. वाटर का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कितना बेटा? वाटर का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कितना? 18. इफ यू जस्ट टेक 10 divided by 46 is equal to 0.2. 10 divided by 18 comes to be 0.5. 0.55 you can say. So, which is having the less amount? This is less number of moles. The one which has less number of moles is the solute. This is very important. Whenever something is mixed, water is there, water is solvent. No, it's not necessary all the ways. When two components are mixed, one component which is present in less number of moles is called solute, the other one is going to be solvent. Got it beta? Right? Very good. Nice. Any doubt in that? Let's talk about types of solutions. Let's go into the types of solutions and classification of solutions, and we'll go into the solubility, and we focus on concept and how to get marks in a particular topic. Okay, so every day we are joining the session, chit chat कर रहा हूँ, and every day we are discussing the concept. But ये concept होने के बाद उसमें फायदा उठाने की कोशिश कर, ठीक है ना? So moving ahead, types of solutions. So the component that is present in larger quantity in terms of moles is generally called a solvent, and the component present in the minor quantity in terms of moles is considered as a solute. So you can have water, in that sugar is added, so it is a solution. You have a water in that sugar as well as a salt, नमक भी ऐड किया, वो भी सॉल्यूशन होगा. उसमें पहले वाला जो है शुगर प्लस वाटर इज अ बाइनरी सॉल्यूशन, एक सॉल्वेंट एक सोल्यूट है. एंड शुगर प्लस साल्ट प्लस वाटर, उसमें एक ही सॉल्वेंट है, दो सोल्यूट है ना. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड टेर्नरी सॉल्यूशंस. सो ए सॉल्यूशन कैन हैव more than one solutes. Of course, the physical state of the solvent only decide a solution का type क्या है, right? हाँ, that's a tertiary, Smita. So a binary solution contain only two components. क्या क्या चीज है उसमें? एक solute है प्लस सॉल्वेंट, बस दो चीज होता है. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ए सॉल्वेंट डिटरमाइन्स द फिजिकल स्टेट इन विच द सॉल्यूशन एग्जिस्ट, सॉल्यूशन इज मेड. ओके, इफ द सॉल्वेंट इज वाटर, एक्वियस सॉल्यूशन बोलो. इफ द सॉल्वेंट इज अल्कोहल, अल्कोहलिक सोल्यूट बोलो. आपका जैसे पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एक्वियस, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड अल्कोहलिक इस्तेमाल किया ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में, याद है. पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड अल्कोहलिक एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन में होगा. पोटेशियम सॉल्यूशन, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एक्वियस न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन होगा. जो भी SN1 होगा, SN2 होगा, कोई बात नहीं. सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन द ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. ए सॉल्वेंट डिसाइड द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द रिएक्शन. मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूं आपको. ओके, सो बेस्ड ऑन physical state of the solutions are classified in three types. So जो solvent का state होता है, ये solution का state भी है. ख्याल में रखो बेटा. Clear? Hope you are understanding. Okay, you are in weekend fever में है क्या? चार्ट में कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं. Okay, thumbs up दे, fire emoji देना. चलो, come on, जल्दी. Right. So these lectures are so important beta, so important. So types of solutions, we are talking about three types. एक solid solution है and एक liquid solution है. ये तीसरा है क्या रविंदर? and a gaseous solution है. Gaseous always forms a homogeneous mixture. So अंदर से क्या क्या. So types of solution में among different types of solution, solid in liquid types of solutions are most frequently studied, or liquid in liquid types of solutions are frequently studied. दोनों चीज है. And solid plus liquid and liquid plus liquid has a lot of importance in our regular basis. Okay, let's take types of solutions. This is the table where you can see the same table from any textbook. This is made by me for your better understanding. Okay, let's talk about gaseous solution. Gaseous solution में solvent हमेशा गैस होता है. So अगर गैस mix with gas, इसका एग्जाम्पल है कॉमन मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रोजन. एयर भी होगा ना. हवा में क्या होता है? सिर्फ नाइट्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन प्लस छोटा मोटा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड नियॉन. ओके, इफ लिक्विड इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन गैस, if liquid is dissolved in gas, what happen when the chloroform is opened its lid, or I can say a better example, somebody open some perfume bottle, we can smell it because perfume is a liquid evaporated mixed in the air. So the chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas is an example. Perfume in the air you can take an example. And a solid can mix in the gas. Yes, कर सकते, क्योंकि ये कर्पूर कैम्फर when it is left alone, camphor is going to evaporate in the air. जो भी नाइट्रोजन बोल रहे हैं ना, you can take air into the example, right? स्मिता, फाइन बेटा. So solid हो गया. अभी तो लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन है. लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन में क्या चीज है आपका? सो लिक्विड सॉल्यूशंस, गैस कैन डिसॉल्व इन लिक्विड. सो गैस लिक्विड में डिसॉल्व कर सकते हैं. हाँ, कभी सोडा, यस, कभी पेप्सी, थम्स अप, any carbonated carbon dioxide dissolve in water, that is called soda. We can say carbonated water. Technically it is called as carbonated water. And liquid is dissolved in liquid. Are ethanol dissolved in water, alcohol dissolves in the water, right? And solid can dissolve in liquid. आपका जो चीनी dissolve in the water, नमक भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, है ना? Right? We are all okay. This session is especially meant for those studying 12th standard and preparing for NEET 2025, and also for those students who completed 12th and dropped for the preparing NEET 2025. Okay. I think who is this unknown again? Abhinav? Calcium hydroxide, lime water. Ravindra Reddy is also, yes. And talking about solid solutions, in the solid solutions, it is rare to observe, but it is there in our regular life. Gas dissolved in solid, so that is hydrogen on the surface, the palladium, H2PD, you can say, that is called occlusion, okay. And liquid on the solid, that is called amalgam of mercury with sodium, that is called sodium amalgam. Sodium is a solid mixed with mercury is a liquid, that is a solid liquid mixture. Solid. So copper dissolved in gold, yes, alloy. Any alloy is a homogeneous mixture of solid and solid, right? Anirudh, okay, I forgot your name. Abhinav, Anirudh, same lag rahe. yes. Arey, change your name now. You just simply keep it unknown. हमको कैसे पता चलेगा बेटा? मेरे को लग रहा है कोई बच्चा आ रहे, स्पैम कर रहे लग रहे हैं. ओके, ब्रॉन्ज, yes, tin, copper, yes, it is alloy. Smita, correct. So आगे बढ़ेंगे थोड़ा. So technically we are going to types of solutions, aqueous and non-aqueous solutions. Aqueous solution में जो solution जिसमें water is a solvent, and a non-aqueous solution other than water is a solvent. So solution prepared by using water as a solvent is called aqueous solutions, and non-aqueous alcoholic solutions contain ethyl alcohol as a solvent. So it comes under aqueous or non-aqueous? It comes under aqueous or non-aqueous? You don't spam, I know it better. You don't spam. Okay, I agree, but थोड़ा सा नाम बदलना है क्या, so that I can freely call you Anirudh. In the flow of class, I have to look at the board, I have to look at the camera, and I have to look at the technicalities, and I have to look at the chart, and recalling the student name. थोड़ा सा दिक्कत होगा. हाँ, it is non-aqueous. जय, non-aqueous, क्योंकि उसमें इथाइल अल्कोहल इस्तेमाल किया. That is not water ना. जब वाटर इस्तेमाल किएगा ना, आपका एक्वेस होगा. Right. Now, concentration is the term talking about methods of expression. Concentrations. Concentration is the term used in expressing the amount of solute present in the definite amount of solution. It is also called as strength of the solution. Sometimes chemistry is not like a kitchen. Okay, so when mom is cooking something, okay, you are cooking something, you are asking your mama. So mama is saying add a pinch of salt, okay, add a spoon of chini, kind of things. So in chemistry we have standard methods. So pinch, spoon doesn't work in science. किचन में चलेगा. So साइंस में जाने के आपका स्ट्रेंथ कितना है, उसमें सोल्यूट ज्यादा है, स्ट्रांग है, सोल्यूट कम है, it is diluted है. So that strength of the solution is measured in terms of gram per liter or mole per liter, or many methods are there. So that we just go into the methods of concentrations, the various methods of concentrations. So coming to the concentration of a solution can be measured quantitatively, scientifically, in several ways. Okay, हाँ स्मिता is so sweet, मोलारिटी है उसमें, मोलालिटी, और कुछ है क्या स्मिता? आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर टर्म. हाँ मिली पर डेसीमीटर क्यूब, करेक्ट. yes don't retract your message, you're fine, you're correct. Okay, talking about, so first one, weight percentage. So before going for that, in the methods of concentration, okay, right. So in the methods of concentration, we just see, I can write, first one is percentage method. Percent means some quantity related to solute, the solute mass मान लो, volume मान लो, some quantity related to solution into 100, that is percent. That percent can be of three types. The percent can be of three types. Simple methods. One is weight of the solute upon weight of the solution. Weight of the solute upon volume of the solution. Volume of the solute upon volume of the solution. So weight, volume, percentage. So these three percentage methods आपका आगे स्लाइड्स में डिटेल्स में बता देना चाहता हूं मैं. सो नॉर्मालिटी भी है स्मिता, मोल फ्रैक्शन में भी है. ओके राइट. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट, वन इज concentration quantitatively. First one is weight percent, or is also called as W by W or mass percent. That is the weight in grams of solute present in. Everybody keep a notes and a pen and attend the class and continuously write a running notes along with me. है ना बेटा? Yes or no? Yes. Are you all writing? Give thumbs up. Give thumbs up. Okay, so the weight in grams of solute present in 100 grams of solution is called weight percentage. So that weight of the solute upon weight of the solution into 100, right? We can take an example like, let I just want to say 3% sugar solution or alcohol solution. Ethanol in water. 3% ethanol in water. I mean to say, weight of C2H5OH is 3 grams. Weight of water is going to be 97 grams. So that weight by weight is equal to 3 by 3 plus 97 into 100. Why 3 plus 97? 3 plus 97 मिलके आपका सॉल्यूशन का मास होना चाहिए. राइट बेटा? क्लियर? ग्रेट. So you understand this definition, but how it is used in the daily life, that's important, right? So let's go ahead with weight volume percentage. If you take weight of the solute upon volume of the solution, then you can say it is a weight volume percentage. It is the amount of, it is the percent weight gram of solute present in 100 milliliters of solution is called weight volume. When you see a cool drink or in a syrup, it will be written as 10% sucrose, aqueous solution. 10% sucrose aqueous solution. What does it mean? It contains weight of chini, sucrose is equal 10 grams. Okay, volume of solution, you don't say volume of water, volume of solution is equal to 100 milliliter, right? So this is Arhan, fine, thank you. You are late. May I know why you are late? Okay. So going ahead, volume percentage. So volume in milliliters of solute present in 100 milliliters of solution is called volume percentage. If you take any cool drink bottle or any mixture, you will be having like 5% volume by volume ethanol. So ये 100 मिलीलीटर बेवरेज में 5 मिलीलीटर इथेनॉल होगा. That is called volume percentage. So depending upon the usage, depending upon the requirement, we use maybe weight by weight percentage, maybe weight by volume percentage, volume by volume percentage. Are you getting or not? Clear? Fine. In this, moving ahead, you can have the ppm also. Nagesh Rao, who is the new student? Hi Nagesh Rao. Okay, let's go ahead. Molarity. Before going for this, let's talk about ppm. Majority of the students has a doubt in that. So that is called ppm. ppm is parts per million. Actually, the ppm is the term is used for what reason? Yes, it is used for a small components like pollutants. So in the air, how much pollution is there, like how much fluoride is there in the water, like ppm. Hardness of the water, you can take ppm, है ना? So if you take volume per cent, you multiply per cent, cent के लिए. If you take the same thing per million, million means 10 raised 6. So ppm can be calculated by taking weight of solute upon weight of solution. Generally weight is taken here into 10 raised 6. This is the best way to understand ppm. Hope you are all understand. एक बार thumbs up दे, थोड़ा एक्टिवेट करना. Enthusiasm नहीं क्या? Who is Nagesh Rao there? Okay, स्कूल की वजह से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बेटा. So you just follow our sessions. It makes you sense, है ना? No worries. Okay, right. एक मिनट. So let's moving ahead with molarity. सबका फेवरेट टॉपिक है मोलारिटी. ये मोलारिटी क्या? ये मोलारिटी इज इंडिकेटेड विथ एम. इट इज द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट इन ए लीटर ऑफ सोल्यूशन इज मोलारिटी. इसके यूनिट्स क्या हो गए बेटा? मोल पर लीटर. ओके, मोल पर लीटर. J, ppm parts per million, ppb parts per billion. सिर्फ मिलियन एंड बिलियन का फर्क पड़ता है. हाँ, so generally molarity is given as simple. Molarity is given as number of moles upon volume is expressed in liters. Right? When molarity is given as number of moles into volume expressed in liters, I can write it like this now. You can also say molarity is equal to number of moles into 1000 by volume in milliliters. We use this many times. Or you can also say molarity is equal to weight by molecular weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. Like that, various conversions are there. Use capital M, not small m, right? And very important thing, as temperature increases, volume increases. Yes or no? जो भी volume terms included है, so the temperature increases, volume term increases. जब वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होगा ना, मोलारिटी डिक्रीज होगा. सो इट इज डिपेंडेंट. इट का मतलब क्या? मोलारिटी डिपेंडेंट ऑन टेम्परेचर. सो आपका नीट में क्वेश्चंस आएगा. कौन सा चीज? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टर्म इज टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टर्म इज टेम्परेचर इंडिपेंडेंट. समझ में आ रहा है क्या बेटा? फाइन, राइट. So as temperature increases, the volume of the solution increase and the molarity is decreased. ठीक है? So let's see the various formulas we see for this molarity. So molarity is given with this formula. We already written. Here it is, molarity is equal to weight of the solute by gram molecular weight into 1000 by volume expressed in milliliters. That is very important. Make a cheat sheet while you are listening the class. All the formulas in physical chemistry are perfectly useful and you can crack any kind of question from the NEET examination, whatsoever the competitive examination. You have to maintain this cheat sheet. Always write a formula, make it in a box. At the end of the session, at the end of the lesson, you just make a plain paper and write all the formulas. तभी आपको एक बार रिवीजन हो जाएगा एंड बिफोर गोइंग फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन आपका ये फॉर्मूला का चीट शीट का जैसे आप एक बार रिवाइज करके तुरंत एग्जामिनेशन में आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड बेटा? ग्रेट, यू ऑल डू दिस. ओके, नाउ वेरियस मेथड्स वी यूज, वेरियस कंडीशंस वी यूज फॉर मोलारिटी. राइट बेटा? सो ए मोलार सॉल्यूशन मीन्स इसका मोलारिटी यूनिटी 1 होना है. सो ए मोलार सॉल्यूशन इज द वन which has 1 gram mole of solute is present in 1 liter. अरे इतना कहानी क्यों है? सो ए मोलार सॉल्यूशन का मतलब इसका सॉल्यूशन मोलारिटी 1 हो, ये मोलार सॉल्यूशन होगा. सिंपल, राइट? सो ए मोलार सॉल्यूशन means molarity is equal to 1. ये semi molar solution means molarity आधा 1/2. It is written as 0.5. ये decimolar solution means 0.1 or 1/10. ये centimolar solution 0.01. इसका और दूसरा मेथड भी है. So it is said to be M. It is said to be M by 2. It is said to be M by 10. It is said to be M by 100. Okay. Now, a pentimolar solution. मतलब क्या? M by 5. ख्याल में रखो. गेम ओवर. साक्षम मोदी. मोदी जी, गेम अब भी शुरुआत है. ओके. ये टाइम पास नहीं है बेटा. सब लोग इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं. You have to encourage the effort given by the students, effort given by the teacher, and the effort given by the Infinity Learn team. Right, beta? We are the team of subject matter experts working for your result and providing these lectures for absolutely free of cost. You are a kid, you please don't think about what is happening when it comes to the commercialization. It is absolutely zero. सिर्फ आपको भला करने के लिए हम लोग इतना मेहनत कर रहा हूं. ओके, ख्याल में रखो बेटा. रेस्पेक्ट इट एंड लेट्स गो हेड. ओके, कम ऑन. एंड यू प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक द सेशन एंड यू प्लीज शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. इन लोगों को भी फायदा होगा. ओके, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब. द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, द लिंक्स आर गिवन and a Google sheet is also given. Please join in Telegram channel so that you will be getting an updates. Okay, Smita, thank you very much. Okay, अच्छा सोचो, अच्छा होगा. Okay, अच्छा अभ्यास करो, अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलेगा. है ना बेटा? Right. Now, molarity, that we know the reverse format of this. You see, molarity is equal to number of moles upon gram molecular weight. Okay, so number of moles can be calculated taking the molarity into gram molecular weight. है ना? Right, beta? Okay. You want to talk about the mass. Number of moles is multiplied with its molecular weight, right? So, if you want to talk about millimoles, 1 mole is equal to 1000 millimoles. So that number of millimoles is equal to molarity into molecular weight into 10 cube. So moles and millimoles, you are going to see music in this turns and the twist. Okay? Ravindra Reddy, thank you very much. Clear? Now some useful relations. Now आपका नीट का गेम शुरू होता है. In that, number of millimoles of the solute present in V milliliter of the solution, that is molarity into volume. Volume should be expressed in milliliters. Okay. Number of moles of solute present in V milliliter of solution. Okay. Molarity into V milliliter divided by 1000. So we prepared all these formulas सिर्फ आपका अच्छा होने के लिए. Number of moles of solute present in V liters of solution. Molarity into volume, है ना? And it is expressed in liters. And one more, when a solution is diluted, its molarity decreases, but the number of moles of solute before and after dilution remains constant. That's the reason why we want to say M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. This is molarity before mixing. Volume before mixing is equal to molarity after mixing, volume after mixing. So this formula, it is very important also. Volume of solvent added you can calculate by using V2 minus V1. You will be having a certain questions, how much volume of water to be added to make a solution from 1 molar HCl 200 ml, say 0.5 molar. So that you have to calculate the final volume, and V2 and V1 subtract karke, that is the volume of the water that need to be added. That's the level of questions you are going to get in the NEET examination. And also that's what it is said, M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. This is what you call it as dilution law. This is dilution law. M1 is molarity before and M2 is molarity after, and V1 is volume before and V2 is volume after. Fine, you all fine, you understand? एक बार thumbs up देना बेटा. Some pause in the chart. I think you all can hear me. Right बेटा? These concepts that what I am discussing, सीधा आप NEET एग्जामिनेशन में सीधा सीधा आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. राइट? फायदा उठाने की कोशिश करो. अगर so volume of water added to get a solution of known molarity, that is V2 minus V1, that is M1 V1 by M2 minus V1, or you can also say V2 minus V1 M1 minus M2 V1 upon M1 common निकाल के दे सकते. These are tricks. These are tricks. ये सुरेश सर के क्लास में, सिर्फ सुरेश सर के क्लास में मिलेगा, है ना? और आप ढूंढना पड़ता है. ओके, राइट बेटा, लिख लिया? अरे चीट शीट बनाने की कोशिश करो. राइट बेटा, राइट राइट राइट. ओके, नाउ मोलारिटी, weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in milliliters. ये खतरनाक है, अदरवाइज आपका आंसर गलती होने का संभावना है, पक्का गलती हो जाएगा. मिलीलीटर इस्तेमाल करो. ओके, so when weight volume percentage is given, and this is very 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 important, very very important, 10 into weight volume percentage, okay, into density upon gram molecular weight. You can take density if density is given. D is in gram per milliliter, specific gravity भी दे सकता है. Okay, this is simplified version. Okay, D stands for density, density, gram per milliliter. And also we can go for when weight percentage is given here, specific gravity, and you can say it is density. Yes, in this slide is given, please ignore the previous one. When weight percent of solution and specific gravity or density are given, the molarity is given as 10 into density into weight by weight percentage. Previous one का जो है ना, weight volume में you can directly take it. weight में आपका density लेना है. ये सही है. ये weight volume का है, अगले वाला weight का है. If it is weight percentage, you can multiply with the density, because the density has gram per milliliter, उसमें milliliter आ जाएगा, volume term आ जाएगा. That's the reason why. Okay, so you can also mix the solutions, and I will show you how to mix the solution and get the new molarity. And this is very very important. Molarity is equal to, simply molarity is equal to 10 into density into percentage, you can say weight percentage, ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, ख्याल में रखो, दिस कैन सॉल्व सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम योर नीट गाइड or NEET booklet from any source. You can buy Engage, Arihant, okay, whatsoever. And by the way, we have Infinity and Ranker series books, okay, and Achiever series books, and these books are crafted by eminent expert faculties and carefully made in such a way that we are expecting 100% score, 100% questions directly from this in the NEET examination. So you just have a pursue in that if you are interested you can request a copy. Okay, so there many important formulas are also given, right? So talking about, for a mixture of two solutions of different molarities, the molarity of the resulting solution is given by, it is mixing, molarity of the mixing. I mean to say here there are two solutions beta, है ना? This is a solution whose molarity is M1, whose volume is V1, and there is another solution M2 and V2. These two solutions are mixed and you are going to get a mixer. You are going to get mixer. सो जो मिक्सर का मोलारिटी निकालना के लिए ये फॉर्मूला है, ओके. सो M1 V1 प्लस M2 V2 एंड V1 प्लस V2, एंड दिस M1 V1 जो है ना, दैट कम्स लिटिल कंफ्यूजन विथ डाइल्यूशन, बट डाइल्यूशन में आपका आएगा, रिकॉल अबाउट डाइल्यूशन. For dilution, फॉर्मूला क्या आएगा? ईशिता, टेल मी, डाइल्यूशन का फॉर्मूला क्या आएगा? फटाफट, डाइल्यूशन का फॉर्मूला क्या? राउल्ट लॉ इज डिफरेंट, डाइल्यूशन लॉ इज डिफरेंट. रविंद्र रेड्डी, राउल्ट लॉ we are going to discuss in the next Thursday, right? For dilution, M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2, so that ये दोनों फॉर्मूला सेम दिखते हैं, लेकिन ये मिक्सचर का है, ये एक ही सॉल्यूशन डाइल्यूट करने का. रोहित, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. Ravindra Reddy, your answer is correct. Harsh, your answer is correct. That's good, that's good. Okay. So, when two solutions are titrated, what is the meaning of titration? A solution is allowed to react with another solution. So, reaction between one solution and another solution is happening by using an experimental setup is called टाइट्रेशन. ये जो टाइट्रेशन का वजह से हम रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन में एक बार डिस्कस कर लेता. ओके, सो व्हेन टू सॉल्यूशंस आर टाइट्रेटेड मींस ये सॉल्यूशन ए इज मिक्स्ड, सॉल्यूशन बी इज मिक्स्ड. सॉल्यूशन में है क्या? ये सॉल्यूशन में है क्या? बी. सो ए एंड बी आर मिक्स्ड टू गिव सी एंड डी against titrated against each other as per the following reaction. Okay, so at the equivalent point, ये equivalent point है क्या? Equivalent point है. Okay, no problem, Ravindra Reddy, you are free to interact in the class. Except spamming, everything is permitted in the chat box. Okay, spamming मना है, लेकिन सिर्फ एकेडमिक चार्टिंग मंजूर है. ओके, इक्विवेलेंट पॉइंट हो गया. इशिता बोलो, इक्विवेलेंट पॉइंट होता है क्या? जब रिएक्शन बिटवीन ए एंड बी जब खत्म है ना, वो पॉइंट इक्विवेलेंट पॉइंट होता है. सो इक्विवेलेंट पॉइंट बदला, आपका जो एंड पॉइंट देखते हैं, सो we can visualize whether the reaction is completed or not. Okay, just completed, that is called equivalent point. है ना बेटा? So the equivalent point of the titration, so the molarities of two solutions are related as M1 V1 by N1. N1 indicates the stoichiometry number. जब इक्वेशन बैलेंस करते हैं ना, वो नंबर है, ओके, इज इक्वल टू M2 V2 अपॉन N2, और अदरवाइज सिंपली N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. Law of equivalence, N stands for normality. समझे बेटा? Hope we are discussing a huge quantity and more concept than every day, right? Yes, Ravindra Reddy, fine, thank you. चलो आगे बढ़े. This is very very important points. very यूजफुल पॉइंट्स भी है. ओके, लिख लिया? लिखना जरूरी है. यू आर ऑल अटेंडिंग द क्लास, अप्रिशिएटेड, बट ऑल्सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से प्लीज राइट दीज. एक बार आपको प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगा ना. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस देता हूं. नॉर्मलिटी, whenever mole is used, molarity. Whenever equivalent weight is used, that is normality. बस ये equivalent weight है क्या? So that is gram equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight upon some n factor, upon n factor, right? So n factor is all depend on what compound we use, acid or base or a salt or a redox. So if it is an acid, the n factor is the number of H plus ions that is donated by one molecule of the reactant or acid. The base, that is n factor, is number of OH minus that is given by one molecule of a base. If it is a salt, the total positive charge on the cation or total negative charge on the anion, that is the n factor of a salt. If it is a redox change, the n factor is going to be the total number of electrons that are transferred per one molecule of the oxidant or reductant, or simply change in the oxidation state per molecule, you can say. No, Jaisha, no spamming, beta, no spamming, please. Okay, so that's what it is given. Some useful relations, n factor, a simple term में देना चाहता हूँ. For acid, number of H plus ions. Okay, Ravindra Reddy, I am planning to discuss some practice questions also. Let's see how far it can do. Definitely, I promise. Last class also you asked about the practice questions. Okay, yesterday we did it. The previous day we did not do. But today we shall do. If not, we'll do in the next. Okay, Ravindra Reddy, don't worry. If it is for a base, that is number of OH minus ions that are generated by one molecule of the base. If it is for salt, total charge on cation or anion. I don't want to write clumsy handwriting there. Okay. If it is for redox, it is going to be change in oxidation state per molecule. चेंज इन ऑक्सीडेंट स्टेट पर मॉलिक्यूल। नॉर्मलिटी कैलकुलेट करने का हमेशा इस चीज का वजह से मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, इन लोगों को, बच्चों लोगों को तकलीफ है, सो डिफिकल्ट भी है। सो ये तकलीफ नहीं है बेटा, बिल्कुल डिफिकल्ट नहीं है बेटा। ओके, सिंपली एन फैक्टर है क्या, ये सिंपल ट्रिक पकड़ के आप कर सकते हैं, राइट, दैट्स गुड। सो मोलारिटी एंड नॉर्मलिटी दोनों का रिलेशन क्या, नॉर्मलिटी इज इक्वल टू द मोलारिटी इंटू एन फैक्टर। right, molarity into n factor. So molarity is equal normality upon n factor. So some important relations, आपका जैसे molarity है आपका normality भी ऐसे है। So number of equivalents is equal to NV, volume is in liters, number of milli equivalents is equal to NV, volume in milliliters, it is in liters. So the mass of the solute you can calculate by directly taking normality into volume into gram equivalent weight. gram equivalent weight कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं बोलो, gram equivalent weight is equal to gram molecular weight upon n factor, ओके। मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूं, जय शाह, क्वाइट नो स्पैमिंग प्लीज, एंड H2SO4 का n फैक्टर कितना, n फैक्टर कितना H2SO4 का, अगर मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूं, यस H2SO4 सल्फर डबल बॉन्ड वो OH, so that n is equal to 2, रविंद्र 2, n is equal to 2। अभी बोलो H3PO3 का फास्फोरस एसिड और ऑर्थोफॉस्फोरस एसिड, पी ब्लॉक में फिर आपको पढ़ा सकता हूं मैं, पी ब्लॉक में फिर आएगा, ओके, रेडॉक्स में भी और एक बार आएगा। सो पी फास्फोरस डबल बॉन्ड OH, सो हर फास्फोरिक एसिड का कम से कम एक पी डबल बॉन्ड एक POH बॉन्ड होना जरूरी है, ओके। सो ये मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से, और कितना ऑक्सीजन बचा है, ओके, जितना ऑक्सीजन बचा है ये हाइड्रोजन के साथ रहना है, दैट इज वन मोर पॉइंट। और कितना ऑक्सीजन बचा है, H3PO3 में 3 ऑक्सीजन था, उसमें बना दिया, और कितना हाइड्रोजन बचा है, सिर्फ एक ही हाइड्रोजन बचा है। इफ हाइड्रोजन इज प्रेजेंट, it should be present with oxygen, if not with oxygen it should present with phosphorus. This is the structure of H3PO3. now जो भी हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन के साथ रहना है ये n फैक्टर में एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टीज में होगा, and this is the oxygen present with phosphorus do not have acidic properties. So this is the trick you need to know, and this give H plus. So n factor is going to be 2. So I just want to give a red one, n factor में जाना है, are you getting or not, like that? If you know n factor, then only you can touch normality, otherwise you don't touch it. पूरा के पूरा गलती होने का संभावना है ना, that's good, very good, So the mass of the solute can be calculated based on this, and normality of the mixture, again mixture N1 V1 plus N2 V2 upon V1 plus V2, and if you want to dilute, N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2 है ना, just आपका molarity का ऐसे, are you getting or not? Yes, you said it is true, your answer is correct and appreciated, thank you. I checked it, Ravinder. So I am noticing everything better as the students are going just charting फटाफट जा रहे हैं ना, so I am not able to see sometimes, don't worry beta, come on. So when VAML, a important relation है, when VA milliliters of strong acid, normality of Na is mixed with VB milliliters of strong base and NB, okay. This ये चीज है आपका तीन जगह में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, एक रेडॉक्स में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और आयोनिक इक्विलिब्रियम में, एसिड बेस ना रेडॉक्स में कैसे, ओके. आई जस्ट वांट टू से ये चीज आपका आयोनिक इक्विलिब्रियम में, एंड स्टोइकियोमेट्री में, एंड सॉल्यूशंस में. And this particular point number 5 and the slide that is visible right now with you guys can be directly used in these three topics, and directly you can get a question logically from the NEET examination. Are you with me? So when acid and base are mixed, right, neutralization takes place. Exact amount of acid and base are mixed, so you are going to get absolutely neutral solution, है ना बेटा? So that absolutely same amount of acid, absolutely same amount of base, equivalence of acid is equal to equivalence of base. जब ये दोनों same होगा, then the solution is a neutral, pH is equal to 7. Right? When you add more acid, less base, acid जीत गया, resultant of the solution is acidic. So number of equivalents of an acid is greater than base, the solution is acidic, pH is going to be less than 7. So ए सॉल्यूशन में अगर आपको H प्लस आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन पता चलना है, H प्लस आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज इक्वल टू NaVA, एसिड जीत गए ना, इससे बेस सब्ट्रैक्ट करना माइनस NbVb अपॉन Va प्लस Vb, ये H प्लस आयन पकड़ के आप pH इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव लॉगरिथम टू द बेस 10 ऑफ H प्लस से ये सॉल्यूशन का बराबर pH निकाल सकते हैं, आयोनिक इक्विलिब्रियम. ओके जय शाह, प्लीज डोंट स्पैम इन द क्लास. टॉकिंग अबाउट इफ NaVA इज लेस देन NvBb, सो यहां पर बेस जीत गया, सो दैट आपका जो सॉल्यूशन है ना उसमें OH माइनस इज देयर, सो OH माइनस इज इक्वल टू NbVb माइनस NaVA अपॉन Va प्लस Vb. इससे OH माइनस पकड़ के क्या कर सकते हैं आप, POH कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. POH इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव लॉगरिथम टू द बेस 10 ऑफ OH माइनस आयन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. ये वैल्यू यहां डाल के OH माइनस आयन कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं POH. इससे pH कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड, वी नो दैट pH प्लस POH इज इक्वल टू 14. कहां से कहां तक जा रहा हूं, सो pH इज इक्वल टू 14 से POH सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, आपका बेस, ये मिक्सर का पीएच भी निकाल सकते हैं। इतना खतरनाक फॉर्मूला है बेटा। सो प्लीज डोंट मिस दिस काइंड ऑफ लेक्चर्स। क्लियर? एनी डाउट? If you don't have any doubt, please give one thumbs up. Want to see? Want to see? Come on. और कुछ देना यार? Right? फराज, बनी, right? That's good. अटक गए क्या चार्ट में? Right. So, my dear students, you please follow everyday lessons. You will get awesome lectures on the YouTube platform given by Suresh Sir on Infinity Learning. Right, beta? Please like, share, subscribe these videos so that you will get total benefit of this. Right? Right, come on. So normality and molarity interrelation, we know that we discussed it so far. That is, normality is equal to molarity in the basicity of the acid. Basicity of the acid means number of H2 plus ions, that is generated by one molecule of an acid is called basicity. For bases, molarity into acidity of the base. Acidity of the base is number of OH minus ions that are generated by one molecule of base. So for salts, normality is equal to molarity into total number of unit positive charge or negative charge on the salt. So either positive charge or negative charge. For redox change or oxidizing agent or reducing agent, so normality is equal to molarity into total charge. Is an oxidation state per mole, change in oxidation state per mole of the reactant. ये reaction में जो भी oxidant पकड़ लो और reductant पकड़ लो. So in terms of oxidant, in terms of reductant only you can say the N factor. Chalo beta. Now for exact neutralization we know that NaVa is equal to NbVb. Okay, that we discussed. In case of dilution we have N1 V1 is equal to N2V2. Rohit, we schedule live classes every day. मंडे टू सैटरडे, संडे को आप लोग छुट्टी है, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट कर लो बेटा. एवरी डे आफ्टरनून 12 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, physics, chemistry and biology sessions are going to be done. So physics 1.5 hour, chemistry 1.5 hour. Okay, so in this chemistry 1.5 hour every day, it's a fixed timing 1:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. May Suresh, faculty of chemistry, going to teach at Infinity Learn Studio. Okay, we are giving organic, physical, inorganic, total 11th standard, total 12th standard, NEET level teaching and every corner of the subject. We are not going to leave any part. Okay, Rohit Kumar, is that fine? That's the reason why we ask, please come regularly, attend the class and our class ko like maro beta, and you please bring your friends by sharing these videos, and you please join in the Telegram channel. So आपको अपडेट मिलेगा कौन सा क्लास कब होगा और किसी एग्जाम होगा, कुछ मटेरियल डालना है उसमें, कुछ टेस्ट डालना है, so आपको पता चलेगा. So just before that, you just see the Telegram link is just pasted in the chat box. You please join in that, and also and subscribe so that you will be having upcoming class. ये बेल बटन दबाओ, आपको अपडेट मिलेगा. ओके, आगे क्लास क्या है? ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस इन दिस सेशन इटसेल्फ. अभी तो थोड़ा मोटा टॉपिक्स दे रहे हैं ना, ये होने के बाद आपका क्वेश्चन से मिलेगा. ठीक है बेटा, आपका क्वेश्चन से मिलेगा. राइट, Molarity, yes, we discussed molarity, parts per million we discussed, some useful relations. अरे बेटा ये सब लोग ये पकड़ के एक बार स्नैपशॉट ले लो. So solubility बेटा, this is a single word, solubility. एक्चुअली आई एम अगेंस्ट फॉर बाई हार्टिंग रट्टा मारने का कल्चर है नहीं, लेकिन ये चार ही फॉर्मूलास थोड़ा सा ख्याल में रखना तो अच्छा होगा. ओके महाजन, या यू आर बैक, व्हाई यू आर लेट टुडे? एक बार स्नैपशॉट खींचो. 3, 2, 1. राम to all of them. Avogadro number of times wishes 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 times greetings. Okay, mole fraction का, okay, molality and molarity का and molarity and solubility का सबका एक. These are quite useful. Okay, now talking about mole fraction. So mole fraction is the fraction, means a division between, it's a ratio of number of moles of a component to the total number of all components, is called mole fraction. So mole fraction, it is indicated by using a symbol called Greek X. Okay, it is the ratio of number of moles of A upon Na plus Nb. If it is Nb, mole fraction of B is equal to fraction between number of moles upon total number of moles. You take mole fraction of A and mole fraction of B. Mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to number of moles of A upon number of moles of A plus number of moles of B plus number of moles of B upon number of moles of A plus number of moles of B. ये दोनों मिलके एक 1 होना चाहिए. That's the reason why mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to 1. Mole fraction of B is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of A. ये चीज राउल्ट लॉ में ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं. राइट बेटा, क्लियर, फाइन. Sum of the mole fractions are always equal to 1 molar proportionally. Okay, talking about, अरे क्वेश्चंस तैयार है बेटा. Calculate the normality of H2SO4 solution. Who is going to do it? Practice question. Practice question. That's what I am addressing with Ravinder Reddy. So if time is there, we'll do it. If today is not there, we'll do it in the later classes also, doesn't matter. है ना बेटा? Now talking about, we don't have time to practice ना. अरे हमारे classes सीधा every day you join it, so that initially we complete the topic फटाफट करके अभी इसी क्लास में मेरा साथ आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. That's the reason why please attend the class regularly. Got it? Calculate the normality. So normality का जो फॉर्मूला है, normality is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by वॉल्यूम एक्सप्रेस्ड इन मिलीलीटर. हाँ मेरे को पता है सर, ये फॉर्मूला पता है. ओके, यू वांट टू से सी. ओके, सो 0.98% वेट बाय वॉल्यूम. इसका मतलब क्या? वेट इज इक्वल टू 0.98 ग्राम्स. ओके, वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू 100 मिलीलीटर्स. इसका मतलब ये है. ओके, ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट वेट दैट इज इक्वल टू 0.98 अपॉन ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट वेट कितना? ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट वेट कितना? ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट अपॉन एन फैक्टर. ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ H2SO4 कितना? 98. ओके, n factor of H2SO4 is 2 is equal to 46. So 46 into 1000 by 100. If you just strike this, आपका मिलेगा डाई. So 9.8 upon 46. 9.8 upon 46 कितना? 9.8 upon 46. Answer जल्दी. At the end of the session. तेज. बहुत बढ़िया आंसर रविंद्र रेड्डी दिया. ओके, ऋचा शर्मा दिया. Ishita also given correct answer. Dhanraj given correct answer. Okay, all students with explanation. Richa Sharma given correct answer. Right, beta? So, this is the first session of Solutions and Colligative Properties. आपको मजा लगे? अच्छा लगा? एक बार thumbs up दे. Thumbs up दे बेटा. That's good. That's good. So, for you, Ravindra Reddy, I could able to touch at least a question. Don't worry. Next session we are going to discuss with solutions and colligative properties with the questions. शुरुआत से questions करेंगे, है ना बेटा? And this is a Saturday, and we completed solutions session number 1. We'll meet again on Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are going to talk about hydrocarbons grade 11. And the solutions topic is going to be resumed again from Thursday and Friday and Saturday. So, parallelly 11th standard and 12th standard we are going to complete. So, we are doing our level best from Infinity Learn. So, my dear students, you are also doing best for your NEET examination, and the successful journey of NEET 2025 Step Up program. I request every student, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and the Telegram channel link is also given. You please join in that group so that you will be getting updates in that. So, I am ending this session with this. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.